Hey guys. So, I'm just gonna be upfront. I filmed like 3 different intros for this video and deleted all of them because they sounded way too stiff. I've been in the crypto trading world for a few years now, and it's one of those things where the longer you're in it, the more your whole approach just quietly changes. Like, you stop chasing the exciting stuff and start caring way more about what's actually consistent and repeatable. And AI has been entering that picture in a pretty interesting way recently. So today I'm just gonna open one up and show you how the whole thing runs. That's it. Okay, so pulling up the platform now, you can see the main page on screen, going straight into LaunchBot. All right, we're in. So first thing it's asking for is the trading pair, and quick thing to know here, this bot is running across 18 exchanges at the same time, so you've got a pretty broad selection of coins to work with. Nothing exotic from me today, I'm just going BNB, keeping it grounded.
Okay then, clicking into live mode now, and now I need to get my wallet address plugged in, so I'm just gonna swing over to my wallet real quick. Okay, grabbing the address, coming back over here and dropping it into this field. Okay, good. Capital allocation next. I'm going with, yeah, right around that. I'm comfortable with that number. Risk level. So this one I think of as basically just your risk appetite dial. Like you're telling the bot where the ceiling on aggressive behavior is, how much rope it gets. I'm not going conservative, but I'm not maxing it out either, just landing somewhere that feels measured. And then arbitrage strategy, which is just the AI's operating methodology, the specific framework it uses to identify and act on opportunities. All right, I'm good here. Nothing I want to change. Moving on. So the deposit screen is up, and I like that this part isn't rigid. Like you can come in with whichever coin is just sitting in your wallet, and they'll do the conversion into BNB on their end automatically before the bot does anything.
So I'm just using whatever's convenient for me right now. Hang on a second. Okay, that's gone through. Tapping I have sent, and yeah, it's running. Stats are live right here. Trade count, win rate, average spread, charts tracking in real time. Pretty no-nonsense layout. Now we're just in standby mode. I'm gonna cut through the waiting. Okay, so time's passed. I'm going ahead and pressing stop and withdraw right now. Okay, stopped. And here's the full rundown: how long it ran, total trades completed, what strategy it was on, win rate, and the actual profit after the platform's cut is already taken out. Clean summary. All right, tapping withdraw now, just to beat while that processes. Okay, confirmed. It's moving over to my wallet. A few minutes and it'll show up. And I want to use that window to say, I'll tell you what actually shaped how I operate now. A while back, I went through this period where I was testing a bunch of platforms at the same time, trying to be efficient about it, I guess. And one of them just completely blindsided me.
Like, it wasn't even one of the shadier looking ones. It was actually the one I felt most confident about. Had been running it for over a month, everything was smooth, and then one week the update stopped. Just didn't come. And I told myself it was probably nothing, but something felt off. And I tried to withdraw and it stalled, just sat and pending. That cost me real money. Not catastrophic, but enough to genuinely change how I think. So now my whole thing is I never let optimism outpace evidence. I don't care how good something looks or how confident I feel, I run it through a process. Small entry, early withdrawal test, extended observation, then maybe I scale. I've been doing exactly that with this platform, and it's been giving me nothing to worry about so far. And that's genuinely the most I'll say. Anyway, if any of this made you curious, link is in the description and it's pinned in the comments. The only way you actually know if something works is if you get in there yourself, start, and just observe. That's it. Leave something in the comments if you've got thoughts. All right, I'm out. Take it easy.